और वॉइस कंफर्मेशन दीजिए। आवाज क्लियर है? आवाज क्लियर है? नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू गेट वाला। सब लोग कैसे हो? आपका प्रिपरेशन कैसे चल रहा है? सुपर 30 सीरीज में वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट अभी डब्ल्यू एंड आई एन लोगों के लिए मेजरमेंट्स में लेके आया हूँ। ऑफकोर्स थोड़ा सा रात सेशन है, 10:30 सेशन है, लेकिन सब लोग जितने लोग सेशन देखते हैं प्लीज हैव ए पेपर, पेन एंड कैलकुलेटर विथ यू, ओके। एंड डेफिनेटली दीज 30 क्वेश्चंस आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल मेजरमेंट्स में whatever the 30 questions I am going to give now, these 30 questions are the best of the best questions for your preparation, okay. Yeah, so let us start the session now. Let us go for the first question. Yeah, this is a MCQ question. An ammeter with input resistance of 50 ohms gives full scale deflection for 50 microampere current. The input resistance of 0 to 1 milliampere ammeter obtained by connecting a shunt across the 0 to 50 milliamperes will be dash. तो क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू व्हाट, ये क्या टॉपिक है? टॉपिक है पीएमएमसी अमीटर। टॉपिक क्या है? टॉपिक इज रिलेटेड टू रेंज एक्सटेंशन ऑफ अमीटर। रेंज एक्सटेंशन ऑफ अमीटर। सो इसके लिए कैसे सॉल्व करना? इसके लिए बेसिक फंडामेंटल फार्मूला है। तो हमने पहले डायग्राम लिखना है, बेसिक डायग्राम। दिस इज अवर आरएम और दिस इज अवर आईएम। ये है हमारा आरएम एंड ये होगा हमारा शंट रेसिस्टेंस। फर्स्ट एंड शुड एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन है। So this is our I. Ammeter with input resistance of 50 ohms. So this resistance I am taking is as 50 ohms. Full scale deflection for a 50 microamperes current. So this current is 50 microampere. Current कितना है? 50 microampere. The input resistance of 0 to 1 milliampere means he wants to change to 1 milliampere range extension. के लिए शंट रेसिस्टेंस कितना हो? तो क्वेश्चन को कैसे सॉल्व करना है? तो शंट रेसिस्टेंस कैन बी टेकन एज RSH is equal to RM by M minus 1. So M can be taken as I by IM minus 1. तो ये है हमारा I by IM. तो मीटर रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? मीटर रेजिस्टेंस इज गिवन एज 50. I कितना है? I want to extend from 50 microamperes to 1 milliampere. So this is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 50 microamperes, 50 to 10 to the power of minus 6. So approximately कितना होगा? So 10 power minus 3, 10 power 6, that is 1000 by 50. That will 20. Approximately हमको 2.5 ohms आएगा. Right answer for this question. The right answer for this question is 2.5. Option D is going to be the right answer. Okay. So yeah, audio video clear है? Whoever are watching this session, please confirm the audio video, everything is clear from my side. All of you are able to see the video, Okay, the resolution, everything is clear. Yeah, very good, very good. Thank you. चलो, let this question is from range extension. Range extension definitely आपको एक क्वेश्चन आने वाला है, PMMC range extension से आपको क्वेश्चन आने वाला, where m is called multiplying factor. m को हम बोलते हैं मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर बोलते हैं, मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर. ओके, तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर एमीटर के लिए m-1 नीचे आएगा, वोल्ट मीटर के लिए वो सीरीज में आएगा. मैं बार बार बहुत सारे नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स हैव गिवन दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन. RSH is equal to RM by m-1, RSC RM into m-1. Okay, chalo, let's go for the next question. So just for your reference, please note down these formulas. Range extension for ammeter, तो ये है IM, RM, this RSH. तो RSH is equal to RM by m-1, तो ये होगा हमारा I. तो m is called multiplying factor, so I by IM minus. So similarly, this is our VM, RM के लिए हमने एक सीरीज सिस्टम को कनेक्ट कर रहे, going to connect it. So this is for voltmeter. The series resistance is given as RM in 1, where m is the multiplying factor. तो इसके लिए क्या होगा, m is equal to small v by capital V by small v by multiplying factor. Chalo, let us go for the next question. Yeah, this question is related to topic error analysis. Topic is related to error analysis. 200 ohms resistances having tolerance 3% and 4% each are connected in series. The effective tolerance in percentage will be. So when two resistors are connected in series, when two resistors are connected in series, तो सीरीज रेजिस्टेंस क्या है, तो सीरीज रेजिस्टेंस R series will be R1 plus R2. ओके, तो सीरीज में रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्टेड, देन उसके क्या होगा, उसका एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यूज ऐड हो जाए, तो उसका एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यूज ऐड हो जाएगा, लेकिन उसको परसेंटेज दिया है. तो R1 is given as 100 ohms 3%. That means what, 100 ohms 3 by 100 into 100, that means 3 ohms. This is the absolute value. Next, R2 का वैल्यू कितना है, R2 का वैल्यू दिया है 4%. तो R2 का वैल्यू है 4%. That is also 100 ohms with 4%. That means 100 plus 4 ohms. So these are the absolute values. So series of addition, their absolute values will be added. So now if you take the R1 plus R2, then क्या होगा, will be 200 plus 7 ohms. लेकिन अगर ऑप्शंस देखे तो अगर ऑप्शंस में आपको he has not mentioned, ऑप्शंस में क्या दिया है, परसेंटेज दिया है. तो 200 ohms में कितना परसेंटेज will be equal to 7. Simplify, you are going to get how much, 0.5%. ओके ना. सो सीरीज में ऐड हो चुका है, तो एब्सोल्यूट एरर 7 ohms है, लेकिन ऑप्शंस में एरर हमको परसेंट एरर में दिया है, तो आंसर कितना आएगा, 3.5%. राइट आंसर गोस टू 3.5. C is the right answer. Okay, so let us go for the next question. Yeah, this is MCQ. Match the following. Try to give the answer for this question. चलो या मैच द फॉलोइंग, वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चंस। क्योंकि मेजरमेंट्स का क्वेश्चंस गेट की स्टैंडर्ड की तरफ से कंपेयर करें तो समटाइम्स डिस्क्रिप्टिव क्वेश्चन आने की चांस कम है। न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स में सिंपल न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स आएगा, क्योंकि अगर आपको बड़ा डेरिवेशन ओरिएंटेड प्रॉब्लम दिया है तो क्या होगा, उसको टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा। सो मोस्टली फ्रॉम द लास्ट 5 to 6 years अगर मेजरमेंट्स का क्वेश्चन देखे तो आपको पूरा ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ रहा है। तो क्या दिया है देखो क्वेश्चन में, लिस्ट 1 लिस्ट 2 दिया है। लिस्ट 1 में टाइप ऑफ द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स गिवन, ओके, लिस्ट 2 एप्लीकेशंस आर गिवन। तो क्या है इसमें ऑप्शन, so if you see dynamometer instrument, thermocouple based instrument, RAM generator, Western standard cell. If you see the thermocouple based instrument, that will go to true RMS meter. Why? Because thermocouple का जो कुछ input है that is related to true RMS. Next, dynamometer is a transfer type instrument. DC को कैलकुलेट करके AC में यूज कर सकते हैं। Next, RAM generator is also related to time based CRO, and standard cell we are using in the EMF. जनरली पोटेंशियोमीटर में हमको एक रेफरेंस के लिए एक बैटरी चाहिए, तो दैट बैटरी वी आर यूजिंग। ओके चलो, सो अभी क्या होगा, तो दिस ऑप्शंस इफ यू चेक, ऑप्शन P गोस टू, ऑप्शन P गोस टू 2, ऑप्शन Q गोस टू 1, नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन R गोस टू 3, ऑप्शन S गोस टू, so 2 1 3 4 is the right answer. What is the right answer? Option C, 2 1 3 4 is the sahi answer. Okay, thank you. Very good, very good, very good. Chalo, option C is the right answer. 2 1 3 4 is the right answer. Let us go for the next question. Try to answer this one. The question related to measurement of power. So topic क्या है, power measurement. This topic is power measurement. Power measurement से क्वेश्चन आया है। The power of a 3-phase 3-wire balanced system was measured by 2 wattmeter method. The reading of one of the wattmeter was found to be double that of the wattmeter other. The power factor of the system. जरूर आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन आने की चांस है, क्योंकि 2 wattmeter method is one of the important topic for the power measurement. आपको पता है बेसिक फार्मूला ऑफ tan phi. Tan phi is equal to square root of 3 into W1 minus W2 divided by W1 plus W2. ये है हमारा फॉर्मूला। ओके, यहां से आप निकाल सकते हैं आराम से। तो क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में, द रीडिंग ऑफ वन ऑफ द वाटमीटर वाज फाउंड टू बी डबल टू दैट ऑफ अदर। so we can take W1 is equal to 2 times of W2. तो उसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, क्या आएगा आपको, √3। तो W1 is equal to W2 minus W2 divided by, this is 2W2 plus W2 2, sorry, this is tan phi. So from this what we can write, tan phi is equal to √3 W2 by 3W2 होगा, तो W कैंसल, तो 1 by √3 होगा। दिस इज अवर phi, that means phi is equal to 30 degrees आ रहा है। ओके, phi is equal to 30 degrees. Very good, very good. Yes, phi is equal to 30 degrees आ रहा है। so power factor पूछा, power factor is equal to cos phi. Cos phi is equal to cos 30. Cos 30 means √3 by 2, that means 0.86. The right answer for this question होगा 0.86. 0.86. The question is related to 2 wattmeter method. Let us go for the next question. Yeah, try to answer this question. This is a topic related to DVM. Topic is related to what? Digital voltmeter. In a 4.5 digital voltmeter, 4.5 digital voltmeter, very good question. The input 12.956 given, in 0 to 10 volts range will be displayed as dash. Very very good question. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको 4.5 डिजिटल वोल्टमीटर का पता होना है. 4.5 डिजिटल वोल्टमीटर कैसा होगा. तो दिस इज अवर 4.5 डिजिटल वोल्टमीटर. तो आपको 4 फुल डिजिट्स होगा. 1 2 3 4 1 हाफ डिजिट 4. तो दीज आर द फुल डिजिट्स. ये होगा हमारा हाफ डिजिट. इधर 0 और 0. This will be what 0 0 and this is what we call as half digit or full digits. So क्या होगा, as it is a 4.5 digital voltmeter, this half digit can occupy, half digit can take either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 also. That means if you take 0, you can roll over up to 0 9 9 9 4 full digits and 1 half digit. एंड इसके बाद क्या होगा, वेरी गुड, इसके बाद 1 आ जाएगा. तो 1 0 0 0 एंड इट रोल ओवर टू 1 9 9 9 9. नेक्स्ट के बाद इट्स रोल ओवर 2 0 एंड रोल ओवर 2 9 9 9 9. next 3 0 0 3 9. दैट मीन्स पूरा काउंट्स कितना हो गया, यहां तक एक काउंट 1000 काउंट्स हो गया. नेक्स्ट यहाँ 1000 काउंट्स हो गया एंड यहाँ 1000 काउंट्स हो गया, यहाँ 1000 काउंट. तो टोटल काउंट्स हो गया 4000 काउंट्स हो गया. कितना हो गया, 4000 counts. So here if you see now, the resolution of this 4.5 digit over a range of 4.5 digit over a range of 10 volts क्या होगा. अगर आपने 10 volts इससे रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हो, क्या होगा, 10 volts के लिए कहां तक जाएगा. So if you want to represent the 10 volts, the decimal point you have to take, the decimal point you have to take here, decimal point you have to take is going to come up to 40. So for 10 volts, the range will be going for 0 to 39 volts. That means the range will be going for 10.00. So this is the decimal point. You understand? So this is the decimal point, my dear. यहाँ से आप decimal point ले सकते हैं. So this is point, 19 point, 29 point, 39 point, 40 volts हो गया range. So resolution of 3.5 digit क्या होगा, resolution of 4.5 digit. The question is asked 4.5 digit. So resolution of 4.5 digit is equal to, for a range of 10 volts क्या होगा, the total range is equal to 40 volts by total count 4000. Okay ना. So voltage range divided by total count. The total counts are अभी कितना हो गया, 3000 नहीं है, 4000 हो गया. पहले 4 डिजिट से ना, 0 to 0999 एक साइकिल हो गया, 1 like that. So this is 1, this is 1000, this is 1000, this. So the display will be how much, a form of 0.01. That means point after. So if you want to display any number, so the display will be after two points. What is the points here, these are points, 2 points. After that we are going to have the 3 digits. Okay, 1 2 3. Now what is the question asked, 12.956. yes sir, half digit पर only 0 and 1 possible होगा ना. Sorry, we done a mistake, right? Sorry. Take taking 3 by 4. Half digit means 0 and 1 only. Done a mistake, sorry. All mistake here. Half digit means 0 and 1. Thinking as 3 by 4. Correction is required 0 to 1. Please make a correction here. We done a mistake. Take here. Okay. So this is a half digit. So this half digit means either 0 or 1. So now it will be 1.019. So 4 digits. So the total counts will be, this is 1000 counts and this is 1000 counts. Got it? Yes. Perfect. Just my side a mistake. My side it is a mistake. I'm sorry. So perfect. You're perfect. 2000 counts. Okay. So if you want to show, so it will be now 19 point. So the resolution of DVM क्या होगा? Resolution of the DVM will be actually 1 by 10 power n होगा. So 1 by 10 power n means number of full digits. Number of full digits are 4. Okay. So that is going to become 0.0001. So that is the resolution of DVM. Lekin when you are expressing the resolution over the range, resolution of the 4.5 digit over the range of 10 volts, अभी range कितना हो रहा है? So this is resolution of 4.5 digit. So this range by voltage range by the total counts. The voltage range by total counts. So if you check the voltage range, actually 10 volts range है, लेकिन with 10 volts we are able to measure multiplied with 2 na 3 volts, 20 volts. So this will be 20 volts and the total counts will be 2000. Total counts will be, so is going to become how much? 0.01. So resolution of the 4.5 digit over a range of 10 volts. 10 volts means it is becoming 20 volts. Got it? Is it clear now? Sir, 20 के हो गया नहीं? Total count 2 into 10 power 4. Yes. Total counts कितना हो गया? 20k. This is 9000. A lot of mistakes today. Sorry. 10,000. Perfect. Because it is, I am thinking it as 999. So it is how much? 9099. Okay. Check it. Perfect na? Perfect. So 10 power 4. Total counts will be 20,000. Take total 20,000. क्या होगा ये? Total count will be range 20 by total counts कितना है? 10,000, 10,000, 1,000. Okay. So you are going to get point. Am I right? See, have you observed this resolution of the DVM and resolution over the range? Resolution of the DVM is 1 by 10 power n. N is the number of full digits 4. That means 0.001. But when you are taking resolution over the range of 10 means you have to take up to 20 volts you can display. So this is the display 19.99. So अगर आपने 12.576 को display करना चाहते हो, point ऐसा आएगा. So if you want to display here, whatever that is coming less than 20, so 12 should come here. So 9, 5. So the right answer for this question is 12.95. Option A is the right answer. Am I right now? Yes, perfect. Vision's way, correct. Just I was in a confusion. I was doing some mistake here. It is correct. Your side only correct. Actually, we usually practice 3.5 digit. So 3.5 digit generally will take 000 to 999. So the count will be 1000. But here it is a 4.5 digit. So for a 4.5 digit, the counts, these are the counts. Take here. The counts are double 20,000. Am I right? Is it clear now? एक बार confirmation दीजिए बेटा. एक बार मुझे confirmation दीजिए विशाल. विजन से ये confirmation दीजिए कितना आ गया आंसर. So the display format will be like this. The display format will be like this. So up to absolutely 12.576 you can represent. 12.576 you can represent. Okay. But the point I want to mention here is resolution of the DVM ये है. Resolution over the range ये है. This is the point you have to understand. This is what we call resolution over the range. This is what we call resolution of the DVM. So the right answer goes for this question as 12.956. एक बार मुझे एक्सप्रेशन दिखाइए बेटा. जितने लोग सेशन को देख रहे हैं मुझे एक बार थम्स अप दिखाइए. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर वाचिंग दिस सेशन, एक बार थम्स अप दिखाइए. एंड आपका ब्रांच भी मेंशन करिए, डबल ई और इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन. जितने लोग सेशन को देख रहे, एक बार मुझे कंफर्मेशन. क्योंकि रात almost 11 o'clock we are discussing the questions at night 11 o'clock, so need some energy. Let us go for the next question. This question is related to voltmeter. Okay, so topic is voltmeters. Try to answer this question. PMMC voltmeter. A voltmeter connected across 10 kilo ohm resistor in the figure reads 5 volts. Voltmeter is rated as 1000 ohms per volt and has a full scale reading of 10 volts. The supply voltage Vs in volts is dash. Question asking the supply voltage. So कैसा आंसर करना है? So first of all, what is given in the question? The sensitivity is given. The sensitivity is given as 1000 ohms per volt. तो मतलब क्या है? For 1 volt representation, the meter resistance offered is 1000 ohms. तो ऐसा मीटर है. लेकिन अभी क्या है, ये मीटर यूज करके आपने फुल स्केल वैल्यू कितना है 10 वोल्ट्स. तो फॉर 10 वोल्ट्स व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम रेजिस्टेंस वी आर गोइंग टू 10,000 ओम. फॉर 10 वोल्ट्स आपको कितना आएगा 10,000 ओम्स का रेजिस्टेंस. तो आपको मीटर रेजिस्टेंस मिला है. तो मीटर रेजिस्टेंस इज 10k. तो मीटर रेजिस्टेंस इज 10k. So this particular meter resistance RM 10k and 10k both are going to be in parallel. So the equivalent circuit क्या होगा? So the equivalent circuit, so this is हमारा Vs है. So this is our series resistance है. So series resistance 3 किलो ohms. Okay. And ये दोनों parallel में है. So parallel combination equal to 5 किलो ohm. So this is 5 किलो ohm. तो अभी आपने मीटर के पास जो कुछ वोल्टेज है आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. That is 5k by 5k plus 5k 3k 2. तो आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया है मीटर का वोल्टेज कितना है. In the figure, a voltmeter connected across a 10 kilo ohms resistor in the figure reads as 5 volts. So the value given here is 5 volts. So Vm is equal to 5 volt. So this is 5k and this is 35k and into V. तो अभी क्या होगा, किलो ओम्स कैंसल, 5 गेट्स. तो Vs मुझे आ रहा है 55 वोल्ट्स. So this value of Vs will be. So the right answer for this question is 55 volts is the option C. Option C will be the. Am I right? जी thank you. IN. Oh very good. Visions पे IN. Nice. कैसा चल रहा है आपका प्रिपरेशन इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन बच्चों, क्योंकि इंस्ट्रूमेंट बच्चों के लिए बहुत दिक्कत है. very less count this time. 4,000 people are only writing my dear. 4,000 people are writing. So I hope competition कम होगा, लेकिन at the same time आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टूडेंट्स ईसी स्टूडेंट्स से बहुत अच्छा कंपटीशन होगा. Okay? So let us go for the next question. Yeah, try to answer this question. This question is related to bridges. Topic कहाँ से आया? The topic is bridges. Try to answer this question fast. चलो आंसर। आंसर प्लीज, जितने लोग सेशन को देख रहे, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग द आंसर फ्रॉम यू। या he has given a bridge circuit, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन आपने कुछ केवीएल का मतलब यूज करना है, केवीएल का केसीएल का मतलब यूज करना है। So this is a total current I, actually I, my dear, I. We have to calculate the I only. He is asking the value of I. So this is split into two parts. I can take it as I1, this, and this is also same I1 because bridge is balanced. The bridge is balanced means there is no current pass into the galvanometer. तो कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? यहाँ से आपने V bridge को निकाल सकते हैं. So what is a V bridge? So V bridge is equal to, I can write V1 minus V, right or not? So V bridge को कैसा निकाल सकते हैं? So this is but V1 and but V2. तो यहाँ से V1 को निकाल सकते हैं. V1 क्या है? V1 is equal to I1 into 4K. So this is I1 into 4 kilo ohms minus V2 क्या है? V2 is equal to 2K into I2. तो यहाँ से आप निकाल सकते हैं I2 into 2K. But bridge is balanced. Bridge is balanced. At balance this is 0. So I can write I1 into 4K equal to I2 into 2K. So this KK gets cancelled. KK gets cancelled. So I2 is equal to 2I1. I2 is equal to 2I1. That is the first relation. Similarly, आपने voltage across this 1 kilo also I can take it. So voltage across 1 kilo ohm. That means I can write it as voltage across the 1 kilo ohm around in this branch, and this particular voltage 2 volts are equal. Okay, at balance. Yes or not? So that is nothing but I1 into 1K. So this I can take it as I1 into 1 kilo. Okay, so I am going to get as I1 as how much? I am going to get I1 as 2 milliamp. So अगर एक बार आपको I1 मिला, आप आराम से I2 को निकाल सकते हैं. So what is I2 from this? I2 is equal to 2 times of I1. Yes or not? I 2 times of I1 होगा. That means 2 into 2 becomes 4 milliamp. ये है हमारा I2. Clear? तो पूरा मिला के क्या होगा? The total current I. So the I can be taken as what, my dear? The I can be taken as I1 plus I2. तो कितना होगा? That will become 2 plus 4. Right answer होगा 6 milliamp. Right? So option D will be the right answer. And D will be the right answer. 6 milliamp. Very good vision. कहाँ से हो vision? Yes. Indore. Which college? Indore means which college in Madhya Pradesh where you are having less colleges? Let us go for the next question. Yeah, this is MCQ. Question is related to instruments and their application. Match the following. Megger. Because आजकल ये theory questions को भी बहुत important है बेटा, क्योंकि अगर आपने 2020 से 2014 से देखो, अपने पेपर्स 2014 से देखो, 2014 से 2022 तक पेपर्स देखो, थ्योरी क्वेश्चंस भी बहुत सारा आ चुका है, इसलिए मैंने एक कलेक्शन कर दिया मैच फॉलोइंग. तो मेगर हमको पता है, मेगर इज सुटेबल फॉर हाई रेसिस्टेंस. सो मेगर गोस टू, तो ए गोस टू 3, ए गोस टू 3 है. नेक्स्ट शेयरिंग ब्रिज आपको पता है, शेयरिंग ब्रिज सुटेबल फॉर लॉस, फाइंडिंग ऑफ द लॉसेस इन द डिसिपेशन फैक्टर इन द कैपेसिटर, उसके कैपेसिटर्स के लिए. सो दैट मींस डायरेक्ट्रिक मेजरिंग में लॉस एंगल एप्सिलॉन और हमने रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं शेयरिंग ब्रिज. तो C goes to 1, my dear. So goes to 1. Next, digital counter is generally suitable for frequency Digital counter is suitable for frequency, so D goes to 2. So D 2. के बाद B spectrum. Spectrum generally goes to harmonics. That is general idea of spectrum. So B. So 3412 is the right answer. 3412. Am I right? Oh, he has given PQRS. एक second. Mistake है. I think A should be go to 3, B should go to 4. Actually A, B, C. Let's take this as A. So the right answer goes to option D is the right. 341. Okay na? 3 4. Right? Is it clear? Option D is the right answer, right? महक गार्ग B कैसा आएगा? C 1 को जा रहा है ना? Sorry. C goes to 2 na? Okay, C goes to 2. C goes to 2. Yes, option B is the right answer. C goes to 2. No. No. D is the right answer. D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Okay. Option D is the right answer, my dear. Please check करो. Option D is the right answer. 3412. Printing mistake है. PQRS दिया है इधर. ABCD होना है. 3412. A goes to 3, B goes to 4, C goes to 1, D 3412. So option D is the right answer. Am I right? Yes. Go for the next question. Yeah, try to answer this question. Question MCQ कहाँ से आ गया? Question related to energy meter. Question is related to energy meter, my dear. Right answer. Energy meter connected to an immersion heater resistive operating at on an AC 230 volts 50 Hz single phase source reads 2.3 units in 1 hour. The heater is removed from the supply and now connected to a 400 volts peak to peak square wave source of 150 Hz. The power in kilowatt displayed by the heater. Heater means majorly resistive load hoga. Most of all the cases resistive load hoga. So that means for resistive load, what is the power formula? So we can take power is equal to I square R, or if you take power, that means square by R also we can take. Okay. So first of all, what is the given? AC energy meter connected to immersion heater resistive type. AC values are given. 230 volts is given, 50 Hz is given, 2.3 units per 1 hour is given. So from this, what we can calculate? The energy is equal to power into time, my dear. Okay. Energy is equal to power into time. Okay. So excuse me. Energy is equal to power into time. So here energy कितना दिया है? Energy कितना दिया? 2.3 kilowatt hour दिया है. Energy is given as 2.3 units. Units means kilowatt hour. So power हमको आना है. पावर के लिए हम v स्क्वायर बार ले सकते हैं डायरेक्टली, स्क्वायर बाय r. एंड t कितना है? T is given as 1 hour. Like directly we can take it as 1 hour. Okay. So this should be into 1000 here. Why? Because we are going to get watts. So voltage value is given. Voltage value कितना दिया है? 230 volts दिया है. So 230 into 230 by R into 1000. So then I am going to get kilowatt hour here. So this is also 2.3 kilowatt hour. क्योंकि मैंने पावर को किलोवाट्स पे कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ, तो यहाँ से आप क्या निकाल सकते हैं? यहाँ से आप R को वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. R का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? एक बार कैलकुलेट करके बताइए. तो 230 into 230 divided by 1000, that is coming as 52.9 by R. So 52.9 by 2.3, so कितना आ रहा है? 23 आ रहा है. So R is coming as how much? R is coming as 23 ohms. Am I right? Is it right? R का वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है? 23 ohms आ रहा है. चेक करके बताइए. महक, विजन, कितना आ रहा है R का वैल्यू? So first find out the R का वैल्यू. Next he has taken the 400 volts peak to peak. तो क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहे हैं उसमें? Power is asking. So power is equal to I square R. Power is equal to V square by R. So this time 400 volts peak to peak means I can take it as 200. Peak value 200 into 200 divided by 23. आ रहा है, एक बार चेक करके बताइए बेटा. You are going to get 1739 kilowatts, 1.7 kilowatts. So option B is the right answer. Am I right? Option B is the very sahi. So now by using that he is measuring a power of 400 volts peak to peak. 400 volts peak to peak means peak voltage will be 200. Simple है. तो पहले AC यूज किया है power, whether it is AC or another power, लेकिन the load आपने जो कुछ यूज करे वो resistive load है. Resistive load के लिए फॉर्मूला ये देख सकते. ओके, सो फर्स्ट AC इंफॉर्मेशन से हमने रेसिस्टेंस का वैल्यू निकाल दिया. वही रेसिस्टेंस का वैल्यू इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. दिस टाइम हमने 400 वोल्ट्स पीक टू पीक बोल तो पीक वोल्टेज 200 वोल्ट्स होगा. तो 200 into 200 by 23 1.739 किलोवाट्स आ जाएगा. Am I right? महक, विजन, yes, 1.739 kilowatt is the right answer. 1.739 kilowatts is the right. Please show your the expression. Please show your confirmation, my dear. Am I right or not? आपको पता है आंसर आ गया 1.739. Have you got the answer 1.739 kilowatts? चलो, let us go for the next question. Fast. Yeah, this question is related to meters, instruments. Question is related. तो मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आ चुका है. ए करंट ऑफ -8 प्लस 6√2 sin omega t plus 30 degrees. Sin omega t plus 30 degrees is passed through 3 meters. One is a center 0 PMMC, true RMS and moving iron. True RMS, moving iron आपको क्या पता? आपको मालूम है true RMS and moving iron they will measure the RMS value. So ट्रू आरएमएस का रीडिंग क्या होगा? ट्रू आरएमएस का रीडिंग क्या होगा? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ -8 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 6√2 बाई √2 होल स्क्वायर होगा. तो रूट गेट्स कैंसल. 36 plus 64 100. That means you are going to get 10 amperes. The same thing for the moving iron also. The moving iron also same. So moving iron also same. -8 square plus 6√2 by √2 whole square. So that is also 10. But it is center PMMC. Center PMMC के क्या होगा? Center PMMC बोलो तो क्या होगा? Center PMMC means, try to understand. Center PMMC means what? The scale is such a way. Center 0. Here 0 है. These readings are minus or okay, so these are the negative readings, are the positive readings. So minus set definitely will be shown by the PMMC. Okay, so you are going to get for PMMC will normal PMMC बोलो तो क्या होगा? Normal PMMC will show 8, but it is a center 0 PMMC means it represent the negative value also some 8. So the right answer goes to -8 10 10. Right answer is -8 10 10. The right answer. Clear? Yeah. Very good. Let's go for the next question. फटाफट, टाइम वेस्ट मत करना. Yeah, this question is related to potentiometer, so try to answer this question. Potentiometer के ऊपर है. A wire potentiometer of length 11 meters and resistance 1 ohm per meter balances a standard cell voltage of 1.018 volts at a length of 10 meters and 18 centimeters. 10 meters and 18 centimeters. If the voltage of the battery supplying the current through the potentiometer is 2 volts, then the value of the series resistance connected to the potentiometer is less. Very very good question. Potentiometer के ऊपर question है. Yes, zero आएगा. A wide potentiometer of length 11 meters and resistance 1 ohm per meter balances a standard cell voltage of 1.018 volts at a length of 10 meters. Okay. So answer this. ये क्वेश्चन को कैसे आंसर करना है. सो इसका आंसर करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to take the potentiometer diagram. So this is our potentiometer is a scale. So we are connecting a point, we are connecting a meter here. So this is our scale. So these are resistance. Resistance. Here comes a reference voltage. Reference voltage. Okay. So what is the length of this potentiometer he has given? फटाफट calculate करो. So the length of the potentiometer is 11 meters. So the total length कितना है? This total length is 11 meters. So from A to B. So A to B length कितना है? 11 meters. A to B length कितना है? 11. So what is mentioned here? Resistance is 1 ohm per meter. So resistance of the potentiometer is given as for 1 meter 1 ohm. That means for 11 meters कितना होगा? 11 ohms होगा. That means the resistance of the total wire is 11 ohms. Got it? So this total resistance is 11 ohms. Total resistance 11 ohms. And next, the balance is achieved. Balance is achieved means this voltage and this voltage both are equal at a particular position of what? A particular position of 10 meters and 18 centimeters. Let's take this as the AO. So what is the AO? This is the AO. So AO position is 10 meters plus 18 centimeters. That means I can take it as 10.18 meters. Right or not? Then the resistance of AO कितना होगा? Resistance of AO कितना होगा? 10.18 ohms होगा. Are you understanding मेरी? मजा आ रहा है विशाल? 10.18 होगा. तो 10.18 होगा. हाँ अभी बताइए 10.18 हो गया. हाँ क्या दिया है? If the voltage of the battery supplying the current through the potentiometer is 2 volts, so this is 2 volts. The voltage which supplies the current. This is what we call as working current, and this is the series resistance that only we have to find out. Okay. The voltage of the battery supplying the current through the potentiometer is 2 volts. And in this question, what is mentioned here, my dear? He is using a standard cell of 1.018 volts. So this is a standard cell. Standard cell is 1.018 volts. Now it is galvanometer is showing 0 means this voltage and this voltage must be same, na? Right or not? This voltage and this voltage must be same. So the voltage across AO is equal to automatically how much? 1.018 volts hoga. So that means the current passing through it and the resistance of AO will become 1.018 volts. So already resistance of AO आपको पता है 10.18 ohms आ गया. तो यहाँ से आपने वर्किंग करंट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं ना. कैसा? 1.018 डिवाइड बाई 10.18. तो ऑटोमेटिकली कितना होगा? 0.1 होगा ना. 1.018 divided by 10.18, so that is coming around 0.1 ampere. So the working current you got it as 0.1 ampere. Once you know the working current, आपने KVL apply कर सकते हैं here. 2 volts is equal to working current into this resistance of the AB plus the series resistance connected. Am I right or not? The working current is equal to 0.1. The resistance of AB कितना है? Resistance of the AB 11. Resistance of the series, you have to find it out. So 2 volts. So if you simplify from this, how much you are going to get? Please tell me fast. जल्दी से बताइए. राहुल कुमार समझ रहे हैं आपको? विशन स्वे, मयांक, everybody. So this is the best way to do the problem of potentiometer. Very tricky questions. Before 2012 we used to get many questions ऐसा पोटेंशियोमीटर के ऊपर. कितना आ रहा है सीरीज रेजिस्टेंस? कैलकुलेट करके बताइए. 2 volts divided by 0.1, that means 20 by 1. 20 minus 11, that means 9 ohms are it. The right answer will be 9 ohm. Option A is the right answer. Okay, got it? So मैंने क्या किया? So this is a potentiometer, my dear. Potentiometer is having a wire of length E. AB length किया है 11 meters. अगर 11 meters में 1 meter represents 1 ohm, 11 meters will represent 11 ohms. So 11 meters will represent 11 ohms. And this is supplied with a 2 volts battery. तो वर्किंग करंट ऐसा आ रहा है. हमारा स्टैंडर्ड सेल जो कुछ है ना, ये स्टैंडर्ड सेल है. ये स्टैंडर्ड सेल इज बैलेंस्ड एट अ पोजीशन ऑफ O. So what is that position? The position is 10.18 centimeters. That means 10.18 ohms. So at a position of 10.18 ohms, that particular voltage is balanced. So the voltage across AO and the voltage across the cell will be same. हमारा स्टैंडर्ड सेल का वोल्टेज ये है 1.018 एंड रेजिस्टेंस पता है. देन ऑटोमेटिकली यू कैन कैलकुलेट द करंट पासिंग थ्रू वर्किंग करंट. तो वर्किंग करंट आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. आपको वर्किंग करंट मिलेगा. तो दैट वर्किंग करंट कैसा मिलेगा? IW इंटू 10.18 मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 1.018. तो यहाँ से आपको IW मिलेगा. IW कितना आ गया? 0.1 एम्पीयर आ गया. एंड ये पूरा लूप को अगर केवीएल अप्लाई करो तो 2 वोल्ट्स इज इक्वल टू IW इंटू वोल्ट्स अप्लाई करो तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 9. मजा आ गया? 9 ohms आ गया. And if you understood my dear, एक बार थम्स अप दिखाइए बेटा. राहुल क्लियर? चलो yeah, try to answer this question. This question is from the PMMC. आपको पता है PMMC का कंस्ट्रक्शन. दिस इज आवर बेसिक कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द कॉइल. So above and below we are having the things. Current is passing through this particular via the spring only, right or not? Whatever the current is coming, the current is passing through the coil. So copper winding. तो क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? 0 to 10 milliampere PMMC reads 4 milliamperes circuit. It's bought control spring snaps suddenly. Bottom control spring snaps suddenly, then the current passing through the wire will be 0. When this gets damaged, the current passing through the meter will be 0. The reading will be 0. Got it, my dear? Yes, option D is the Clear? Chalo, let's go for the next question to answer this. Question is also related to PMMC voltmeter. A 10 volts full scale voltmeter having 100 kilo ohms per volt sensitivity is used to measure the output of a photovoltaic cell having an internal resistance of 1 mega ohm. The voltmeter reads 5 volts. The voltage generated by the photovoltaic cell is that. Photovoltaic cell is a voltage source. आप ऐसा निकाल सकते हैं photovoltaic cell is voltage source क्योंकि photovoltaic generates the voltage. A 10 volts full scale voltmeter having 100 kilo ohms per volt sensitivity. तो sensitivity कितना दिया है? Sensitivity दिया है 100 kilo ohm per volt. That means for 1 volt it is showing as 100 ohms. What is the voltage? 10 volts full scale. तो 10 volts के लिए कितना होगा? 10 volts के लिए 1000 kilo ohms होगा. 1000 kilo 1 mega ohm होगा. Now this particular thing is connected to photovoltaic cell. Photovoltaic cell को मैं ऐसा represent कर सकता हूँ. This is a photovoltaic cell. The voltage generated by the photovoltaic cell कितना होगा? Voltage generated by the photovoltaic cell कितना है? The voltmeter reads 5 volts. So that is a question. Actually is asking the voltage generated by the photovoltaic cell is dash. So this voltage हमको पता नहीं है. लेकिन इसके एक internal resistance है. So that is internal resistance here, my dear. So internal resistance given as the voltmeter is 5 volts. Photovoltaic cell having internal resistance of 1 mega ohm. 1 mega ohm, and here a voltmeter को connect कर रहे particular voltmeter resistance. What is the meter resistance? Meter resistance. How much now? Yes, as you are using 10 volts full scale, so definitely we have to take the 1 mega ohm, and the voltage across this particular meter given as how much? 5. Voltage across a meter is given as 5 volts. The voltmeter reads 5 volts. तो आप यहाँ से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. हेलो सर, आपने ईसी का सीओ बढ़िया पढ़ाया. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू श्रेयस मिश्रा. थैंक यू. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू एंजॉयड द सेशन. ठीक है. ओके, आप इसी से है, यू आर फ्रॉम ईसी, then this particular session is measurements is for double E, electrical instruments. अगर आपने इलेक्ट्रिकल पेपर और इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स पेपर लिखे तो आपको यूजफुल होगा. तो यहाँ से आप निकाल सकते हैं. दिस इज 5 volts. EM is equal to what? That is RM by what is the meter voltage? 1 mega ohm plus एक भी 1 mega ohm है into this EPV. तो ये वोल्टेज दिया है 5 volts. 5 volts 1/2 होगा. Okay, so answer will be coming as what, my dear? The voltage across the photovoltaic cell as 10 volts. What is the answer? As the just here to compliment. Thank you Shreyas. Take care of your preparation. Okay, chalo. So 10 volts is the right answer. Got it? Chalo, let us go for the next question. Yeah, identify the instrument that does not exist. Instrument does not exist. ऐसा theoretical questions भी आएगा. डायनामोमीटर टाइप अमीटर यस अवेलेबल है. डायनामोमीटर टाइप वाटमीटर अवेलेबल है. मूविंग आयरन वोल्टमीटर अवेलेबल है. मूविंग आयरन वाटमीटर इज नॉट अवेलेबल. मूविंग आयरन वाटमीटर इज नॉट अवेलेबल, माय डियर. So option D is the right. Got it? Moving iron wattmeter is not available instrument. 3 instruments are available. So option D is the right. So option D, the moving iron wattmeter is available. Moving iron voltmeter is available. So let us go for next question. Yeah. This all theory bit MSQ है, multiple select question. The instrument or instruments suitable for both AC and DC measurements is dash. PMMC, is it suitable only DC na? For DC, my dear. For DC. So this is not the right answer. Dynamometer ammeter. Dynamometer ammeter means it is suitable for AC and DC. AC and DC. But remember, with current transfer he has mentioned. That means एक बार अगर आपने डायनामोमीटर को एक सीटी को कनेक्ट कर दिया, सीटी में क्या होगा मेरे दोस्तों? करंट ट्रांसफार्मर means it is having the number of windings at the primary side, number of windings at the secondary side. उसके लिए हमने DC करंट नहीं दे सकते हैं. So it is only for AC. That means whenever dynamometer ammeter alone is AC DC, but एक बार dynamometer ammeter is connected with current transformer only for AC. Only AC. Only AC. Whereas moving iron instrument, it is suitable for AC as well as DC. Dynamometer wattmeter, that is also suitable for AC and tricky question है, theoretical question है. ऐसा tricky questions को मिस मत करना. राइट आंसर क्या होगा माय डियर? राइट आंसर क्या होगा यहाँ? आंसर सी एंड सी comma D. Okay, C comma D is the right answer. Got it? Sure. Let us go for the next question. So this is also match the following. Match the following. Try to answer. Effort. Potentiometer type. This question is related to. This question is related to CRO. Sorry, these questions are related to type of digital voltmeter and their list. Okay. So try to answer. Potentiometer type, ramp type, integrating type, dual slope integrating type, reference voltage source, precision of the resistance potential, ramp linearity, stability of integrated time constant. So ramp type will have ramp linearity. So Q goes to 3. Dual slope integrating S goes to 4. Potentiometer type, reference voltage source, yes, P goes to second one. Potentiometer type, pressure of the resistance potential, ramp linearity, stability of integrated time constant, reference voltage source. Yeah, potentiometer is generally related to resistance and potential, so goes to 2. Okay, ramp type, that is related, ramp is having the linear relation, so Q goes to 3. The types of DVM, my dear, constructionally. Integrating time will be having stability of integrated time constant. R goes to 4. Next, last one, dual slope integrated type. So 2, 3, 4, 1, option A will be the right answer. 4, 1, option A. Yeah, this question is a MCQ question, theory question. Wagner's earth. Generally Wagner's earth, AC bridges के लिए capacitance का जो कुछ earth effect है ना, उसको eliminate करने के लिए use करते हैं. Noise effect of earth capacitance will eliminating the of earth. Easy question. Sometimes ऐसे easy questions भी आ सकता है. Questions को miss मत कर. Next question. Yeah, this question is related to topic energy meter, my dear. So energy meter calculate करना है. फटाफट calculate कर दो. Energy meter is designed to make 100 revolutions in disk for 1 unit of energy. Calculate the number of revolutions made by the disk when connected to a load carrying 50 amperes, 230 volts, 0.6 power factor for an hour duration. I'm expecting the answer from this group. Any one of you, please try to answer. So number of revolutions is how much? N is equal to 100 revolution. 1 unit of energy, that means energy is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So what is the data given? Current is given as, yes, the voltage is given as 230 volts. power factor is given as 0.6. The duration time is equal to 1. So he's asking calculate the number of revolution is equal to k into media. So first of all यहाँ से k कैलकुलेट कर सकते k equal to n by e revolution per kilowatt hour is the okay. So 100 revolution per kilowatt hour एनर्जी को कैलकुलेट करना है. पावर इज इक्वल टू एनर्जी पर टाइम. एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू पावर इनटू टाइम. पावर मींस I cos phi in time. Voltage is given as 230. Current is cos phi 0.6. Time is equal to 1 hour divided by 1000 so that आपको किलोवाट में आ जाएगा. ये पूरा मिला के 1 किलोवाट आवर होगा. आ रहा है चेको. एनर्जी 230 into 3 into 0.6 divided by 1000 coming around 6.9 kilowatt hours आ रहा है. Right, 6.9 kilowatt hour. 690 revolution. 690 revolution is the answer. 690 revolution is the answer. Okay. Chalo, let's go for the next. This is a 3.5 digit voltmeter question. A 3.5 digit DVM has an accuracy specification of 0.5% of reading plus or minus 1 digit. That means the accuracy is given here. First of all, reading कितना है? of digit का हम बोलो तो 1/2 digit. Half digit. So the range will be 0, 0, 0. Next comes 0, 0, 1. Like that it goes on. 0, 999. Next 0, 0, 0. On 1, 999. That means the minimum value that it can measure. Okay. 10 volts range as mentioned. That's okay. So we can go for 10 volts means 3 volts. Fine. Question here is the minimum value that can change is known as 0.5% of the reading. The reading is 5 volts and the instrument is reading 5 volts. See, what is the reading? 5 volts. Error कितना है? Error on reading कितना है? Error on reading is given as how much? And the instrument is reading 5 volts. Accuracy specification of plus or minus 0.5% of reading. Plus or minus 0.5% of reading. कितना होगा error? 0.5 divided by 100 by 25 by 1000, 0.0. Next point. If you are taking one digit, the one digit is error. One digit is error means what is the error? That is a 0.01. The minimum value that it can detect is 0.01. One digit rollover means it is 0.01. So if you add that error of one digit, error one digit contributes what? Or minus 0.1. One digit rollover means plus or minus 0.01. Why? Because the minimum value that it can detect is 0.01 for this particular instrument of 10 volts range. 10 volts range means it can show up to 20 volts. That means the reading will be 19.99 is the maximum. 19.99 is the maximum. The maximum is 19.99. The minimum is 0.01. अगर एक digit rollover हो change हो गया, एक digit of showing this means error कितना है 0.01 volts. So that also if we add, total error will be 0.05 हो जाएगा. Right answer for this question. Yeah. Okay, let's go for the next question. So what is this? He has given an inductance of a moving iron ammeter. So he has given the inductance. What is the cell? 8 plus 4 theta minus 0.5 theta. 0.5 Henry. First of all, question is related to iron. तो मूविंग आयरन के लिए हमको dl by dt चाहिए. dl by dt क्या होगा? डेरिवेटिव दिस. पर 4 minus. So now what is the information given? The spring torque is given as A is as 12 into 10 power minus 10 meter per. Current information is given as 4 ampere. So this question is asking the deflection. So deflection torque is equal to controlling torque. Deflection के लिए हम लेते हैं by d theta. So theta is equal by 2 I square one by 2. I square means 4 amperes. Square AC कितना है 12 in dl by dt कितना 4 minus. तो क्या करो 10 power minus 16. What you are going to get? Phi theta is equal to R radians. ओके फटाफट कर दो आज. वेरी गुड. 9 पीपल आर वाचिंग. एक बार सेशन को जितने लोग देख रहे हैं मुझे एक बार थम्स अप दिखाओ ना बेटा. जितने लोग सेशन को देख रहे हैं, अगर स्लीप मोड में और एक्चुअल मोड में मुझे पता नहीं, आप जितने लोग सेशन को देख रहे हैं प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड करो. सेशन को इतना लॉन्ग सेशन को मैं ले रहा हूँ. that too after the 10:30 we have started the session, so you can understand the struggle of the faculties. Okay, तो गेट वाला टीम इतना कोशिश कर रहे हैं आपके लिए. गेट के 1 महीने पहले आपको कितना कंटेंट मिल रहा है यूट्यूब पर, तो इसके लिए टीम द्रोणा का एफर्ट्स कैसे है आपको पता होना है. चलो, आई थिंक यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड क्वेश्चन. दिस क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू एनर्जी मीटर. क्वेश्चन देखो. The constant of a 25 amperes 220 volts watt meter is 500 revolutions per kilowatt hour. Okay, so from this what we can find? A is given. A is equal to 500 revolutions watt hour during a test at a full load of 4400 watts. So power is as 4000 watts. Disk makes revolution 83 seconds. But actually, what you should, n is equal to k into e, is equal to k into e equal to k into k is 500 revolution 500. Energy is equal to power into time. What is the power? Power is equal to VI cos phi. Power is already given 4000 watts. But you have to convert into kilowatt hour. Time is how much? Seconds. Seconds. Hours 3. Now kilowatt hour revolution. How much you are going to get? 500 into 4400 into 83 divided by 1000 divided by 3600. It is going to come as 50.72. Yes, Mayank, thank you. 50.7. So the revolutions I am getting as 50.7. So this is the true value. But the measurement value कितना आ रहा है? 50 revolutions are. So the true value, the तो अपने percentage निकाल सकते हैं ना? Measurement value minus value divided by value. $50 minus 50.7 by 50.7, coming as minus 1.42%. So option A the close. Rank सही है? Closest answer 1.4 और 1.7. एक बार confirm कर दीजिए बेटा. एक बार आंसर कंफर्मेशन कर दीजिए. चलो. Dynamometer type wattmeter responds to what? Always average power. Because also called as Q power, average value of action. Okay. So these are the types of CRO. CRO types and their list too. ऐसा calculate करना है. High frequency CRO, sampling CRO, low frequency CRO, storage CRO. Servo system analysis. आपको पता है storage CRO. Storage CRO is having certain long-term memory. That's it. S goes to 2 equal to next. Sampling CRO. Sampling CRO will be having the time frequency. So Q goes to 4. Q goes to 4. So P goes to 3 high frequency and low frequency servo system. Okay. So P is the high frequency pulse testing. Next, sampling CRO Q. Sampling CRO Q goes for sampling time domain analysis. Next, low frequency CRO goes to servo. Next, storage CRO, yes. Okay. 3142. Yeah, 3412. 412. Right answer. Yes, sir. Thank you. Let us go for the next question. Yeah, try to answer this question. A Wheatstone bridge is balanced with all four resistance equal of 1 kilo ohms. The bridge supply volts. तो कैसे करना है क्वेश्चन, ध्यान से देखो. So this is a Wheatstone bridge. A Wheatstone bridge is balanced with four resistance of 1k, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. Supply voltage is 5 volts. The value of one of the resistance is changed to 1010 plus 10. The output resistance, the bridge sensitivity is asking. First of all, V bridge find out. So what is the V bridge formula? Quarter bridge का expression by 4 del R by R. S by 4 into del R by R. The supply voltage is 100, 4, and delta R is equal to 10. R is equal to 0.2. The bridge output voltage. लेकिन आपको sensitivity चाहिए, तो sensitivity of the bridge क्या है? Sensitivity of the bridge है V bridge divided by delta output, because the output imbalance is happening because of the 0.25 volts by delta R 10. So 0.25 volts per 10 ohms and 0.025 volts per 0.025 means 25 millivolts. Right? Right answer is 5 milliohm. That is a sensitivity. You understand, Mayank? The B is the right answer. 25 millivolts per ohm. The let us go for the next question. Yeah, try to answer this CRO question. That is a very simple question to answer. A symmetrical square wave of frequency 25 kilohertz. So first of all, frequency we had 25 kilohertz. What is the information? Time is equal to 1 by 25. Coming as 0.0. What is given? And the peak to peak amplitude of 10 volts. Peak to peak amplitude. Okay. Exactly this of 1.5. Okay. Take exactly this of exactly this of 0.5. Sorry. Point number 5 volts. 5 volts. Peak voltage is 5 volts. So how many divisions totally? 1, 5. 5 divisions. 5 divisions are contributing 10 volts. Sensitivity along the y-axis, let us. So 5 divisions are contributing 10 volts. 5 divisions means nothing is. Sensitivity क्या होगा? Sensitivity of the y is 10 by 5 per division. 2 volts per centimeter we can. Sensitivity y-axis. Or not? Sensitivity along the y-axis आपको पता है मयंक? Now please find out the sensitivity along the x-axis. X-axis को x-axis को find out करना है. X-axis को see. If you take this a total time, so to this. How many divisions? 1, 2. So 8 divisions are contributing how much time? 0.25 milliseconds. Right? 0.04. Sorry, 0.04 milliseconds. 0.0. So set on the x-axis. 8 divisions are 0.04 5 microseconds. Am I right? 5 microseconds per division. Obviously, negative slow. Why? Because negative portion is coming first. Okay, negative slow option. All of you coming? 10 people are watching. So जितने लोग सेशन को देख रहे हैं एक बार all the people एक बार सेशन को लाइक कर दीजिए बेटा. सेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है. चलो yeah, this question try to answer. A moving coil meter has a resistance of 3 ohms and gives a full scale deflection of 30 milliamps. The external resistance dash ohm should be added in series so that very famous. Number of times हमको a moving coil meter has a resistance of ohms, gives a full scale deflection with 30 milliamperes. Has given that 30 90 millivolts. 90 into 4 minus 3. What is the series resistance? So that total volt time you are getting. क्वेश्चन को कैसे RSC will be almost you are getting 9999 series system coming as 1009. Got it? आ गया. ऐसा क्वेश्चन मिस मत करना बेटा, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स ऐसा आ सकता है. चलो yeah, a Q meter is supplied with an oscillator having a 500 millivolts output voltage. So this output voltage means first. While testing an unknown inductor, the voltage across the variable capacitor of the Q meter measured by a digital voltmeter is obtained as 10 volts. Sorry. 10 volts is the voltage. Okay, Q meter is supplied voltage is E. तो आपको पता है Q factor is equal to how to get it? That is a C or indicate that is a Q factor का expression. तो डायरेक्टली आपने Q factor का expression निकाल सकते हैं. Why? Because at resonance the circuit becomes like a resistive. के लिए हमको IR मिलेगा. तो I into XC. तो VC दिया है 10 वोल्ट. 10,000 by think 20 10,000 20 factories as फटाफट factories. Question is this question. AC energy meter is tested half an hour run at a supply voltage of 230 volts with a current of 12 amperes at 0.8 power factor lag. The dial reading at the beginning of the test was 58.8, 0.5. Energy consumed is 1 kilowatt. Energy recorded. Okay. The meter constant is given. The meter revolution registered during the test were 1150. The error in registration they're asking. Okay. तो कैसा करना है? Okay. So first of all, what is the data given? Data given is the data given 30 volt. Amperes. Power factor 0. The dial reading, okay, that is the energy. The K is given is equal to K 1200 revolutions per hour. Revolution per kilowatt. Time is not mentioned. 1 hour. Time is not mentioned. So, question asked here, meter revolution registered during the test were 1150. The error in the registration is asking, not in the speed, in the registration is asking. Let us take the energy here. Energy power into time as current is 12 ampere. 1000 watts consumed. 230 into 12 into 0.8 divided by 1000 coming as 2.2. It's coming as 8.951. Half an hour, sorry, not 1 hour, it's half an hour. Minutes. we're going to get as 1.104 true value. The percentage error in recording is equal to the value, recorded value, true value by .1, that is 1 1.10 1.10 1 minus 1.100 coming as minus 9. Right answer for this. मजा आ गया? 8 members are watching. लोग सेशन एक बार आपका कंफर्मेशन कर दीजिए. वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. minus 9.4. The last question. The bridge or bridges best suitable for self-inductance. Shorty bridge capacitance. Sharing bridge is also for capacitance. Maxwell bridge for inductance. Anderson bridge. So C. But here. Hi, Anil Deshetty. Okay, very good. C and D both. Anderson bridge is also for self-inductance. Anderson is also. Got it? C or D? Ashutosh Kumar. C, D both, right? You're telling answer for this question or previous question? The MSQ, my dear. Questions. Two options हो सकता है. Maxwell bridge is also and Anderson bridge also. Anderson bridge is suitable for self-inductance measurement. Previous question option C or 8.42. 8.42 or 9.42. Check it. 1 minus 1.104. 1 minus 1.104 divided by 1.104. 200. Or it is coming minus 9.42, my dear. Not 8. Minus 9.42% is coming. The mistake, please tell me. That is a mistake, Ashutosh. Minus 9.42. 8.42 कैसा आएगा? That's it, my dear. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. Okay. Now covered super 30 questions. How do you enjoy the session? Almost all questions on CRO, questions on G meter, questions on power measurement, questions on error analysis. सब कुछ हमने डिस्कस किया है. Okay. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. Yes, yes. तो जितने लोग लेट ज्वाइन हो गया वो भी आप बाद में सेशन को देख सकते हैं. सेशंस प्राइवेट नहीं होगा. आपके लिए इतना मेहनत करके अपनी ऑलमोस्ट ऑफ द डे 11 बजे नहीं 12 बजे हो रहे हैं. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 12 o'clock. अप टू 12 o'clock वी हैव टेकन द सेशन. तो इस सेशन को लाइक करो, शेयर करो, आपका कंस्ट्रक्टिव कमेंट जो कुछ है सेशन में डालो. ओके ना. एंड जो डाउट्स है डाउट्स भी आप पूछ सकते हैं. एंड सून वी आर गोइंग टू कम विद महा रिवीजन सेशन. वो महा रिवीजन सेशन लेंगे. ओके. So I hope all of you enjoyed the Super 30 session. I wish you all the best. Jai.